Hi everyone! Guess who am I and why am I wearing this mask? And where am I? Guess. Yes, we are going on a journey. I am going to take you guys on a local train today. Isn't that amazing? So, here I am at the ticket counter where we always start our journey. Here, we take the tickets first and then we walk along to the platform and start our journey on the train. So let's start by taking the tickets. Now, there are two options to take the tickets. The first one is this long line that you see, and the second one is this ATVM machine. Now, I really want to start this journey super quick, and I'm sure you also want that. So, which option should I take? This one or this one? Which one will be the fastest? Think and let me know super quick so we can get on this adventure. Yes, exactly. We have to go to the ATVM machine and get our tickets. So let us quickly go, get our tickets and start off. Here I am at the ATVM counter. Now you would be thinking, how is Miss Charmi going to do this? From a machine, how am I going to book my ticket? Who is going to help me? Well, there are two steps. One, I can either get a smart card. It is very similar to what you have seen your mama or your papa use, like a credit or a debit card. And the next option is my phone. There is one app where I can write where I want to go, from where I want to go, and how many tickets I want to book. I have to enter it on my phone and then take a printout from here. And if I have a smart card, I have to put the smart card on this white space here, use the screen to select the place where I am and the place where I want to go, and then take a printout again from here. And the money will either be deducted from my card or my phone. So today, because I have my phone and not a card, I'm going to use the phone, book the ticket, take a printout and show you how that looks. Are you ready? Let's start. I'll turn around, book and take a printout from this machine. And look here, this is how my ticket looks. Isn't that cool? Now, I'm also going to show you how tickets used to look earlier when there were no machines and only people. This is how the tickets used to look. Are you ready? We have got our tickets. Now we have to go to the platform and wait for our train. I am so tired. I had to climb the stairs all the way up, walk on the bridge, climb back down, and here I am at the platform. And guess what? My train is already here. This is the train that is going to take me to my destination. Do you see there on top? There is written, the destination is written there, and there are the coach numbers written. So every local train has 12 coaches. Okay. So there are some coaches specifically for mamas, aunties, that is for ladies, and there are some coaches that are for gents or boys or papas and uncles. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go on a ladies coach and I'm going to quickly board the train, and let us start and see how it looks on the inside. Here I am inside the coach. Do you see some aunties sitting there? I finally got my train, and it is very important for us to remember not to run while catching the train, and we just have to walk, keeping some safe distance. Okay. So that's how I quickly came and got in this coach. This one has some people sitting there, like you can see. There are some seats, there are some window seats. Now I'm super tired, so I'm going to sit down, show you how it looks on the other side when we sit. I finally got a seat to sit, and now I'm sitting and relaxing in this AC coach because it's nice and breezy. You know, in olden times when I was your age, the trains were really small and it was so hot. Now we have AC coaches And you see this big window right there? I can see all my journey outside the window and enjoy and have fun. I can't wait for the journey to start and I can't wait to see you guys in class. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys.
My train journey has started, and you are going to soon see another train that is passing next to my train. And this is how it looks on the outside when the train is moving. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, take care.